Tired of drowning in paperwork and struggling to collect data efficiently? Then let's dive into Smartsheet Forms, the ultimate tool for streamlined data collection. First, open the Smartsheet sheet you want to connect your form to. This is where all your data will end up. In the sheet, look for the Create Form button. It's usually found in the toolbar or under the Automate menu. Click it to open the Form Builder. Now you're in the Form Builder. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a variety of question types on the left, like text fields, drop-downs, checkboxes, and more. Simply drag and drop the question types you need onto the form. Click on each question to customize it. You can change the question label, make it required, add help text, and even set validation rules to ensure the data collected is accurate. For drop-downs and checkboxes, enter the different options you want users to choose from. Think about the specific information you need to gather and tailor the questions accordingly. Head over to Form Settings to customize the look and feel of your form. You can add your company logo, change the colors, and write a custom submission message. Once you're happy with your form, it's time to share it. Smartsheet offers several ways to share. You can generate a direct link, embed the form on your website, or send it out via email. As people submit your form, the responses will automatically populate your Smartsheet sheet in real time, saving you time and effort. Boom. Just like that. So, whether you're collecting survey responses, managing event registrations, or handling customer requests, Smartsheet Forms can revolutionize your data collection process. Enjoy!